Hello, welcome back. So I wanted to record a really quick mini haul that I got from Wicked Clothes. I thought they were really cool and funny for like a little while, and I've been following them, and they recently had a little sale or like a discount code thing or whatever. So I decided to get 2 t-shirts and like a bunch of stickers. So that's why this is so small. Most of this is stickers. Okay. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I just dropped all the stickers. Okay, give me 1 sec. Okay, yeah. The stickers were in between the 2 shirts, and I kind of just flung them across my room and had to collect them. But anyway, let me show you the shirts first. I'm gonna start with this one. Live fast, eat trash. Huh? Yeah, it's a good one. Look at that. I thought it was so funny. I've been kind of really into possums and, trash pandas and raccoons and that whole thing lately. And I thought this was funny, and yeah. I'm gonna try it on in a sec. Okay, second shirt. Oh, more stickers. The Mothman! Yes! I've been looking at this design for a while, and I wanted it on something, a shirt or a sticker, or I wanted it to be something that I could like wear, really, so that's why I wanted the shirt. But I believe they also have a sticker or some other stuff with this design. They usually have the same design on like multiple products. But yeah, I got a trash panda, aka a possum shirt, and a Mothman shirt. Very nice. Yeah, let me just throw these on real quick just to see how they fit. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's just a regular old t-shirt. I might just it is a little bit long. I'm wearing shorts, don't worry. It is a little long. I might crop it a little bit. But I don't know. T-shirt's a t-shirt. Okay, let me try the other one. And this is, I believe I got smalls. Yeah, these are extra smalls. I do kind of wish it was like a little bit tighter, but at the same time, like, I don't expect t-shirts to come in like tighter fits because, they're t-shirts. But these are extra small. Oh my god, I love this one. Yes. Oh, I'm obsessed with this one. This is my favorite. Okay, let me show you the stickers. And I also got a pin too. I got 1 pin and a bunch of stickers. Okay. So this is the pin that I got. It says surviving purely out of spite, which is, love that. And oh my god, so many stickers. Okay, let me show you one by one. This is more raccoons and possums and skunk, it looks like, in a box, and it says adopt a cat. I love that. This one says how do I uninstall anxiety and other life hacks, and it looks like a red panda on a computer. I thought that was funny. This is a skull with plans coming out and says full of life. Very my aesthetic. Okay, another possum sticker. If anyone wants me, I'll be in my office. And he's hanging out on a dumpster that has a graffiti of a skull, 13, a dagger, and trash on it. This one says trouble brewing, and it is a skelly boy in a funny little cauldron. This one is really cute. It says one day you'll look back and know exactly why it had to happen. And this one's kind of like existential, but it's a skeleton dude, cowboy, I don't know, sitting next to a cactus, and it's cute. Oh, this one is so pretty! Okay, this is a black cat with the background being Starry Night from Van Gogh inspired, it looks like, which I love. I've always loved Van Gogh, like, as an artist growing up. I liked his art style. I was inspired a couple times by some of his paintings and did something similar. But yeah. This one is so funny. Oh my god. This is the mood right here. It says, I can't wait to be a tattooed grandma. And it's a little old granny with some saggy titties, saggy bitties, with a bunch of tattoos, and she's having a grand old time. That's gonna be me. And then this one says, death by overthinking, and it's another skelly boy sitting, looking out the window and smoking a cigarette. Okay. This one is also funny. It's kind of similar to the uninstalling anxiety one, but it says, I hope this email finds you well, and it's another skeleton on fire in front of the computer. Here's what it looks next to this one, or how it looks next to this one. Clearly, there's a theme of things that I like here. Excuse the big old grandfather clock that is currently chiming in the background. Thank you. Okay, so this one says, The Book of Witchcraft, Spells and Potions for the Modern Witch, and it's like a cute little design of a cauldron and like spooky witchy things. So we got the classic black cat, we got a full moon, we got a snake, potions, a dagger, the cauldron, of course. Did I say that? I don't know. Alright, and then this one is a Taurus sticker. I am a Taurus. I am technically on the cusp, because I'm the last day. My birthday's May 20th, and just passed. But yeah, I thought it was really pretty. They have a bunch of different, like, zodiac sticker designs. Oh, and I believe that is a earth sign in the corners here also, because Taurus is an earth sign. And yeah, it's pretty. I like it. Okay, and finally, the last one is a death tarot card design. Pretty straightforward with that. But again, all the spooky little things. Skull, what is that? Death's head moth, is that how you say it? Skeleton hands, little candles, and like stars, and some daggers. Yeah, so let me just count how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 stickers, a pin, and 2 t-shirts. So yeah, when I said mini haul, I meant mini haul. But yeah, this is really cute. I love stickers. Some of you may already know this, maybe you don't. I'm obsessed with stickers. I've always loved stickers. I had like a little sticker book collection thing when I was a kid, and I have a bunch of stickers, and sometimes I put them on like journals or like my stuff, and then sometimes I just like keep them and look at them because they're pretty. But I do also like the pin because, you know, I could put that on like bags and stuff, or like a hat or whatever. I like to do that. And I do actually have I think 1 or 2 Ida bags now. The ones with like the clear window so you can see the pins inside. Maybe I'll put it there. We'll see. But with pins, there's a lot of possibilities, I feel like, too. So it's nice because it's kind of like more versatile than stickers. But stickers are OG forever favorite. I love stickers. I'm just curious, and I'm gonna count how many different themes I have of like the trash pandas and skeletons and other stuff. Just give me 1 sec. 1 sec. That's witchy things. I guess technically that's witchy. Okay, so I have 5 different skull or skeleton stickers. I have 2 trash panda stickers, tattoo sticker, anxiety sticker, and I'm gonna call all of these witch stickers because they're pretty witchy. But so yeah, there's the tarot card, the zodiac card, the book card, and the black cat. So yeah, clearly, yeah, there's a couple of my favorite themes in here. Anyway, yeah, that was it. I don't really know what else to say for this. I guess, like, let me know what your faves were with either the shirts or the stickers, and let me, oh god, this one is my favorite. Okay, and let me know if you've ever shopped at Wicked Clothes before. Okay, yes, so that was it. I really like their whole vibe, and I might buy more in the future, but for now, this is my little mini Wicked Clothes haul. And yeah, I like what they stand for and stuff like that too. But yeah, let me know what pieces you liked, and if you liked this video, please leave me a like. And if you aren't subscribed yet, I'm an artist and I do a little bit of everything on my channel. Go check it out, and if you like what I do, then you should hit subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.